everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to summarize any text using Qwen AI. Let's jump right in. First, head over to your Qwen app and make sure you are logged in into your account. Now, in your chat interface, paste or type the content you want to summarize. For example, a news article or a block of academic text. Here, I will be using a picture. There you go. Here, simply type something like summarize this or give a short summary right after your text or your image. Now hit enter or click the send button. And just like that, Qwen AI gives you a clean summary in just a second. And that's how you quickly summarize text using Qwen AI. Super fast, super easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more AI tools and productivity hacks. Got any questions or want me to demo other Qwen features? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.